Question number 3, let us try to answer. The sum of three consecutive odd integers is 87. What is the largest of these integers? A, 27, B, 29, C, 31, D, 33. First and foremost, we're going to identify the three consecutive odd integers in using the value of x. So first integer followed by the second integer, and this is the third integer. And take note that this is what we call a consecutive integer. And of course, x is the smallest integer, ito siya, followed by the largest integer, which is x plus 4. And ang tinatanong sa question is the largest. So after we're going to get the value of x plus 4 ang kukunin natin sa part na to. So let's derive the equation. First is, of course, we're going to combine like terms from the set of the consecutive odd integers. So we need to add x, and x. So x plus x, that's 3x. Okay? Then 2 plus 4, we have 6 equals 87. From this part, of course, magpapalit na or magta-transpose itong whole number natin. So we have now the new equation. 3x is equal to 87 minus 6. Then this 87 minus 6, magsusubtract siya, meron ka 81 na sagot. Then kapag nakarating ka dito sa part na to, 3x equals 81, divide both sides by 3 ka lang, and that is equal to 27. Okay, kung mapapansin niyo, merong letter A na 27. Okay, x is 27. So hindi pa po ito yung tamang sagot. I-identify pa lang natin or na-identify pa lang natin that x is equal to 27. And we're talking about largest number. Therefore, we're going to substitute x equals 27 into x plus 4. So, x natin is 27 and 27 plus 4, that is equal to 31. Therefore, letter C tayo sa part na to. Okay? Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.